Hey there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Ever feel like your evenings are just a blur of Netflix and scrolling? What if I told you there's a way to end your day that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready for tomorrow? Today, we're diving into the world of self-care evening routines. Stick around to discover how a few simple habits can transform your nights and set you up for amazing mornings. Let's start by talking about why evening routines matter. Our days can be hectic, filled with work, errands, and responsibilities. By the time night rolls around, we often feel drained and stressed. A good evening routine helps you unwind, reflect, and prepare for the next day. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind and body. Now, let's break down the steps to create your perfect self-care evening routine. Step 1. Set a consistent bedtime. Pick a time that allows for 7-9 hours of sleep. Stick to this time as much as possible, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Step 2. Power down your devices. At least an hour before bed, put away your phone, tablet, and laptop. The blue light from screens can mess with your sleep hormones. Instead, try reading a book or listening to calm music. Step 3. Create a relaxing environment. Dim the lights in your home to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Light a scented candle or use essential oils for a soothing atmosphere. Lavender, chamomile, and vanilla are great scents for relaxation. Step 4. Practice gentle stretching or yoga. Spend 10-15 minutes doing some light stretches. This helps release tension in your muscles from the day. Focus on your breath and let go of any lingering stress. Step 5. Take a warm bath or shower. The drop in body temperature after a warm bath can make you feel sleepy. Add some Epsom salts or bubble bath for extra relaxation. Use this time to practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. Step 6. Pamper your skin. Apply a nourishing face mask or do your skincare routine. Massage your face gently as you apply products. This not only cares for your skin but also feels incredibly relaxing. Step 7. Write in a gratitude journal. Spend a few minutes writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This positive reflection can improve your mood and sleep quality. It's a great way to end the day on a high note. Step 8. Prepare for tomorrow. Lay out your clothes for the next day. Pack your bag or prepare your lunch. This small step can reduce morning stress and help you sleep better. Step 9. Practice meditation or deep breathing. Take 5-10 minutes to sit quietly and focus on your breath. This can help calm your mind and prepare you for sleep. There are many great apps with guided meditations if you're new to this practice. Step 10. Enjoy a calming beverage. Sip on some caffeine-free herbal tea. Chamomile, peppermint, or valerian root teas are known for their sleep-promoting properties. Avoid alcohol or sugary drinks, as these can disrupt your sleep. Remember, your evening routine should be personal and enjoyable. You don't need to include all these steps every night. Start with a few that appeal to you and gradually add more as you get comfortable. The key is consistency and finding what works best for you. Now, let's address some common questions about evening routines. Question 1. How long should my routine be? Answer. Aim for 30 minutes to an hour, but even 15 minutes can make a difference. Question 2. What if I can't stick to the same bedtime every night? Answer. Try to keep it within a 30-minute range. Some variation is normal. Question 3. Can I watch TV as part of my routine? Answer. It's best to avoid screens, but if you must, use blue light blocking glasses. Question 4. What if I have a busy family life? Answer. Involve your family in the routine or carve out even a few minutes for yourself. Implementing a self-care evening routine might feel challenging at first. But stick with it, and you'll likely notice improvements in your sleep and overall well-being. You might find yourself waking up more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. So there you have it, folks, your guide to creating a self-care evening routine. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making it a consistent habit. We'd love to hear about your evening routines. Drop a comment below with your favorite wind-down activities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.